Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL content. In this video, we will learn about another data type named as unique identifier. You'll not see this using very often, but you should know at times when you come across it, what is the meaning of it. All right. So before that, we will see a function called as NEWID. If you open the bracket, it doesn't take any input, but it returns something called as unique identifier. So close the bracket and execute this. You will get an alphanumeric number. I'll copy this and paste it over here. So it's a combination of alphabets and numbers, and it is like 8 digits, 4, 4, 4, and then 12 digits. That's how it is. And in between you have the dash as the separator. Now what is different about this unique identifier? As the name suggests, unique identifier means that it will always return you unique value. So if I run this again, now the value that I will get will be completely different. So at times you see that unique identifier can be used wherein you want to uniquely identify a row. Most probably use it for a primary key. So we have used integer as primary key and also with and without identity, which ensures that there are no duplicates also. But this is another data type which can be used as a unique identifier apart from integer data types. The exceptional thing about this is that this new ID, every time you run on a system, it will generate a new ID. So it's guaranteed that it will not regenerate the previous IDs. And this can be used across the tables or databases also within the server. So let's say there are two tables, employees and customers, and both have unique identifiers as customer ID and employee ID. So when you initiate this new ID, in both the tables, it will ensure, although both the tables are not connected by any means or source, it will still produce unique IDs for both of them, and it will not produce the same IDs. All right, let's see how to create it. So when you create a table, TBL employees, so here I'll take a column, let's say employee ID. Now over here I can specify a data type called as unique identifier. All right, comma, employee name or EMP name, we'll make it as varchar, and so onwards. We can have another columns. So let us create this table. Double click Alt F1, and there you see the data type is unique identifier. So the length is 16, which means it takes 16 bytes. Now that is a little bit of downside as compared to the integer, which takes less. The maximum a big int can take is 8 bytes, right? We know. So that is a downside. However, let's see how to insert the values into this. So when you insert into TBL employees, let's say employee ID and then EMP name values, what you have to do is you have to, every time you have to insert a row, you have to pass the new ID function. It will automatically generate the next new unique ID, comma, and then whatever your other columns are. This is the way you have to pass it. And then select star from this. There you go. Every time you run now, you will get a new ID. Fine. Another way is that you can also set a default constraint over here. You can say default new ID. So what it will do is it will make your burden less to every time initialize it in this way. So when you make default constraint, either you can override or pass it. Now no need to pass this. I just created another table, employees 2. Execute this. Maybe I'll execute one more. And then if I see select star from this, there you go. 2 unique IDs. So that's about the unique identifier data type. See you in the next video.